It's Zach, here to make you a video. Something that rhymes with video. Yeah, Zach Productions. Hey guys, Zach here. Today I'm doing another Avengers Age of Ultron pop unboxing, Funko Pop unboxing. Today we have Hulk, the third character, 98. So 66. Yeah. Okay. The third character. I don't know if you understand me when I say the third character, but it's the third character. So here he is in the box. Looking pretty cool. It's just artwork. Number 68. He actually, his this thing actually changed on the side for the, because it's I think it might actually do that for all of them. Like the color scheme of them like changes throughout different characters. Here's Vision. Here's the Vision box. Like it changes slightly. Like the color changes. Like it's green for Hulk. And then here's the Iron Man one. Yeah, they're all like slightly different, I guess. Just realized that I thought that Hulk was the only one that was different because he's Hulk, like he's green. But I guess that's the case with all of them. Okay, so hey! Sorry about the interruption. That was my brother. I said we were like, hey! Okay, so here's the characters. Iron Man Mark 43, Captain America, Hulk, Thor, Hawkeye, Vision, Ultron, Hulkbuster. So there's the top, there's the bottom, there's the side, there's the other side. I already showed you that side, and it's upside down. Let's open it up. So I just got him from Barnes & Noble. Along with another character. Who shall it be? I don't know, but I got him from Barnes & Noble. So here he is, looking all hulky and stuff. Nice. I really like the hair. It smells like new toy. It smells like new. Yes. Like the hair's cool. I mean, like all the other ones I have, it doesn't really have any hair. Textured hair is all just like, yeah, no hair actually, because Iron Man and Vision are both don't have any hair. Well, whatever. Tony Stark has hair, but Iron Man doesn't have hair. Okay, got it? Good. Here he is, looking all bubbly. Bobbles, once again, bobblehead. Here's his chest, all muscly and hulky. I don't know if you can see that, but there's the Avengers logo, because I don't know if you knew this either, but he got like new high-tech pants or something that grew as he grew. That's why, like, when he shrunk back down, his pants didn't like fall off because they were too big. He's like growling. It's like a mountain shape. Not a mountain. I'm going crazy. I can't think today. Overall, I think this is a great pop. Definitely a lot cooler than Vision and Iron Man. Just because he's different from the ones I have so far. Including the new one that I got from Barnes & Noble. So there he is. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and go buy this pop. By the way, pop is not a sponsor. sponsor of Zach Riley channel, but I just like them. And you should buy them. There is one final overview. Spin, 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 spin. Let's see. Top, hair, bottom, feet. And that's all for now. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and bye-bye. See you later. Adios, amigos. Bye-bye.